Alright, I have this MacBook. Apparently it has liquid spilled. They've taken the hard drive with them. They want to see what the potential for repair is, if it is possible. Light comes on and then goes off. Okay, let's see if it's worth fixing or not very quickly. Ah, this is the long one, okay. Turns on and then turns off is the issue. Liquid does look severe. Let's see if this camera is working. Yes. Yeah, in my humble opinion, this guy, due to the age, is not really worth fixing. Maybe it is, maybe not. The fan is spinning. Yeah, pretty much liquid is all around there. So it may work. It's already working, but rate of success is going to be quite low. It's going to have all kinds of weird issues. Yeah, I'm just not going to recommend anything. Yeah, due to the age, I'm not going to recommend anything on this guy. Yeah, even liquid under the RAM, man. That's crazy. No. Anyway, it won't be a reliable repair. That's not liquid, that's epoxy. That's epoxy. That's liquid. Yeah. Alright. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.